Dairy farm workers are in high demand in Denmark. Are you interested in working in Danish farms as a dairy farm worker? Are you looking for opportunities to travel abroad to create a good future for yourself? This video is for you. In this video, we will discuss how you can get a job in Denmark as a dairy farm worker, job duties, requirements, and how to apply for your Danish work permit. We will share with you 3 recruiting firms hiring foreign workers interested in working as herdsmen or dairy farm workers. All you will need to do is to upload your CV directly to the recruiting agencies. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button so you get notified each time we post a new video. The good news is dairy farm workers are eligible for a Danish work visa. You are eligible to apply for your visa online through the Danish Agency for International Recruitment and Integration. Your Denmark work visa will be granted within 30 days. This is a visa sponsorship position. You will be given all the necessary support you need to relocate to Denmark. Denmark has a tradition of employing international workers in many sectors, and the dairy farm sector is no exception. There is a growing demand each year for more and more workers in this sector. Farming is an essential part of Denmark's economy, with the country being one of the largest exporters of agricultural products in Europe, including dairy products such as butter and cheese. Job duties. As a dairy farm worker, you will be responsible for daily animal care, feed and tend animals, milking, cleaning, assist in branding and tagging of calves, assist in vaccination programs, birth attendance, identify sick animals and determine the proper treatment or contact a veterinarian. Job requirements. There are no specific education or training requirements. No experience, no problem. You will be provided all necessary assistance to get you started with your new job. However, having experience in dairy farming is an asset. You should be able to speak English at an intermediate level as you are working with people from other countries. Having a driver's license is not mandatory, but it is an asset. Accommodation. Many farm owners in Denmark offer accommodation to their employees. It is either a room in the house or a separate building, where you share the living space with other workers. The accommodation is fully equipped with furniture, kitchen appliances, and internet. Salary. Your salary in terms of employment will correspond to Danish standards. You will earn around $20 an hour. How to apply for dairy farm jobs in Denmark. Applying for dairy farm jobs in Denmark is easy. The first step you need to take is to upload your CV on the websites we have shared in the description box below. They will review your CV and conduct an interview. They will contact the farmers in Denmark, and together they decide which applications they want to continue with. If you are successful, they will create a contract between you and the farmer and start your visa application process. All you need is to create a good CV and tailor your CV to dairy farming. How to apply for a Danish work visa. The Danish work visa application process is relatively quick and easy. To qualify for a Danish work visa, you need to find a job and receive an official employment letter from a Danish employer. You will need to submit the following documents: a passport or national ID, a completed application and your work contract, passport size photo. You must apply for a Danish work visa online via the Danish Agency for International Recruitment and Integration. You can apply yourself or grant power of attorney to your employer to apply on your behalf. You can also submit a visa application to a Danish diplomatic mission in your home country. The processing time for a Denmark work visa is 30 days. The duration of your work permit will be the same as your contract duration. As a residence and work permit holder in Denmark, your family can come with you to Denmark. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Thanks for watching.